Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload files to your server without an FTP program. A lot of you will be using the FTP, and we'll have a different knowledge base article on how to use an FTP program, but this way I will show you you don't need an FTP program. So this is assuming that you've already built a database, and this is just going to be how to upload the files to your server. If you haven't seen the video on how to upload a database, there is a video on that in the knowledge base as well. Okay, so this is the regular cPanel, and to get started uploading your files without FTP, you're going to want to go to File Manager. You're going to select your domain that you want to install on. I'm going to do wreckingballmarketing.com. And try and minimize this window so I can get it all in frame here for you guys. Okay, so this is the file manager, and we're going to want to go to public HTML. This is going to be the main root for your folder. So any of these other folders, if I went to wreckingballmarketing.com/48 hours, whatever's in here is what I would see. So we start with our public HTML. First we're going to want to create a new folder. And for this example, I'm installing the Magic Box, so that's what I'm going to call it. Magic Box. Okay, and you can see it's going to create it in public HTML. And you can see it's right there. Next we have to upload our files. Click Upload. Now this particular method will only work if your server can support zip files and can extract them, and most of the newer ones do have that capability. If you're using HostGator or Bluehost or something, you will have that capability. So I'm going to download, this is my Box Content Manager installation. I'm going to replace the other one I already had. That was that question. You shouldn't get that if you haven't already uploaded this. Once it's uploaded, you can go back. You're going to want to find what you just uploaded. As you can see, I have a lot. And I'm going to find the one I just uploaded. Click on it, then click Extract. And here's going to ask you where you're going to extract the files to. I'm going to enter the folder I just created. You want to make sure you don't want spaces when you create the folder name, and if you need anything like that, just put a dash like I have. So extract files. And if you go up now to the Magic Box folder, you'll see that all our files are in here. Now sometimes with some of our software it will have a nested folder. So if you were to click on your folder that you created and there were a whole nother folder in here, you would want to move those files out so that they're just sitting in the Magic Box folder. And as you can see, they are. Now to finish the installation, for most of our software, you're just going to go to where you installed it, .com/magicbox. And I actually have to go to install. And as you can see, this is the installer here. And once we go through this process, you should have set up a database name before, username and password. We went over that in a different video. And you just enter your username and email and your Twilio information, and then your Box Contest Manager would be installed. You would go through a similar installation process for Wrecking Ball SMS or the Coupon Builder. Once you have the files uploaded to your server and unzipped in the folder you want, you go to that domain /install, and you'll be presented with the setup process. So that's pretty much it. The first video was installing or how to set up a database, and this is how to upload those files and start the setup process without an FTP program. Let us know if you have any questions.